Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Adopt Me giveaway video. In this video, I'm giving away 10 Adopt Me eggs. 5 royal eggs and 5 fossil eggs. All you have to do to win these 10 eggs is to tell me one of your favorite pets that you have. And also leave your Roblox username on the comment section below. My favorite pet from the collection is the blue dog, and it's right here, and it's flyable and rideable. And if you don't know what they are, rideable is when you ride your pet, but except you can't go up or down, but fly is when you can do anything. The blue dog was one of the first pets in Adopt Me, so that's why it's so rare. And I had to trade a neon fly ride kitsune for this. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts.